Kuringana na gavana wa Kiambu Kimani wa Matangi, arutani aria mena wendi wa gwikuruhania tabarira-ini ino mekuguneka kuhitukira tabarira ya uheani wa basari iria ithukagirwo budget ya shiringi milioni 500 o mwaka.
It's one of the best workshops which has ever been planned in Kiambu County, meant to equip ECDE teachers with the right skills and attitudes,
and it is meant to improve our capacity. And because the teachers are the implementers of the curriculum, this program will help us it will enable us.
Ladies and gentlemen, as part of our comprehensive approach to education, we recognize the importance of teacher qualifications in achieving excellence, and that is why we are committed to equipping all our ECD teachers.
Niguo kuigira mubango-ini uyu arutani aya marabatara kuneana maratathi mao kuma thukuru ikinyanire ikiro guthomithia mathomo ma ECDE na thutha ucio thirikari ya kaunti irugamirire bithi ya mathomo mao ma diploma.
The goal is to ensure that every ECD teacher in Kiambu holds at least a diploma, meeting the national standard and enhancing the quality of education for our young learners.
This leaving no child behind is our motto, and making Kiambu great again. I feel that he's gone to the right direction, because when the foundations are found, we will give the children the best.
Some of the benefits is we shall be sharpened and we shall be able to deal with all learners irrespective of their needs.
Wa Matangi oho no ugete mweri-ini wa Januari mwaka ukite thirikari ya Kiambu ni kwandika arutani angi a ECDE 250 niguo kuiganania arutwo aria o mwarimu abatie gukorwo agithomithia, kuona kwa ihinda riri o mwarimu kaunti-ini ya Kiambu arathomithia arutwo 34.
We are proud to announce that in January 2025 my government will employ an additional 250.
Arutani 1,538 nio matanyitwo kuguneka na mubango uyu. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Wachege.